Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 BMW 228i xDrive. This vehicle has a 2-liter twin-turbo 4-cylinder with 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, 8-speed automatic transmission. I think these 2024 2 Series are a great value because, you know, they're in like the low $30,000 price point, so you can get a entry-level BMW for that, which is nice, and they drive pretty well. They're nice and peppy. You got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, pretty cool digital gauge cluster. This has heated steering wheel and heated seats, which is nice. You have a backup camera with good resolution. You have a panoramic sunroof, which is cool, and you have the synthetic leather in this vehicle. So let's walk around this Beamer. Nice looking wheels, LED headlights. This is the Grand Coupe. It's a little bit cramped back there for sure, but it is a compact sedan. The xDrive will, you know, obviously all-wheel drive. You get a little bit of better acceleration off the line too. You have dual outlet exhausts. It's a nice looking little car. I like it. And here's the trunk space. Nothing too crazy, but you'll be able to fit some decent amount of items in there. But for someone who wants to get a BMW and doesn't want to break the bank, wants a nice little car to get around in every day, this could definitely be a great car. Put it in sport mode. Nice acceleration. It's a small car, and obviously it handles pretty well too, considering its size, and BMWs tend to handle well in general. I love BMW's turn signal stocks. It's so satisfying to click. Nice heavy weight to it. Feels like you're doing something when you press it. Like, this is a car you can literally just throw around, weave in and out of traffic quickly, go around curves. Just throw it around, it's fun. It does 0 to 60 in the low 5-second range, which is really good. It's a great value, you know? Really great value, especially the xDrive. Luxury brand, Grand Coupe. You can fit multiple passengers. Fun to drive. What more do you want, you know? It's a great little car. I really like this. I really like the value proposition this vehicle offers. It's pretty smooth. Ride is comfortable. In any automotive market in the United States, this would be a great car because of the price point. It's very affordable. Entry-level sedans are pretty popular, especially in the high 20s to mid to high 30s price point. Caters to all buying demographics. But yeah, like, I'm barely even putting my foot on the gas and it's just accelerating very effortlessly. It's very nice. The rear-wheel drive models will not have that quick acceleration up the line. It's pretty similar, but the all-wheel drive will give you the little bit of extra, you know, kick off the line because of the power being delivered to all 4 wheels, you know. Visibility is pretty good too. I really like the panoramic roof. Getting a pano roof is not something that you're going to see in most small sedans, so that's a nice thing that BMW gives. I also like this trim. And the engine has a nice sound to it. A lot of 4-cylinders do not sound good, but this has a nice rumble to the engine. Sounds satisfying, and the transmission shifts very quickly, characteristic of literally all BMWs, with this fantastic transmission that BMW has in their vehicles, in all of their vehicles. I do wish it had paddle shifters though, but can't ask for that much, you know what I mean? I think the M Sport would have paddle shifters. This one kind of looks like an M Sport though. I don't know. No, it's not. It would have the M Sport steering wheel if it did. Yeah, and it would have the black grills for the M Sport. Parking sensors will kick on if you get too close to something, but it's a nice little car. You have good center console storage. You also have a USB charging port, which you can charge your device with. You also have a little cubby to put your phone in, as you can see right there. It's not a wireless charger, but it's a designated phone holder spot, which is cool. But it is a nice car. I really like this car. But that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own BMW 2 Series.